Hey guys, MKamTech here. This video is about TikTok. You will learn how to delete TikTok account. The process is same for Apple iOS or Android devices. Let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure your iPhone or Android device is connected to the internet. This could be either your Wi-Fi or mobile network. Once you have confirmed that you have the internet access, open TikTok app. Tap on the profile icon which is at the bottom right corner. This will open up your profile. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner. This will bring up your settings and privacy. Tap on manage my account. Now depending on how you initially signed up for TikTok account, you will either see your phone number or email address here. I signed up using email address, so you can see it's only showing me my email address rather than a phone number. So under manage my account, you will need to tap on delete account, and you can see this is deleting your TikTok account. After a minute or so, it will prompt you for verification. As mentioned earlier, I signed up TikTok using my email address, so it's asking me for a password. If you have signed up using your mobile number, then you will get a text message with a code that you will need to enter here. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter my password and tap on continue. Now read this carefully and make sure you are happy with it before tapping on delete account. Your TikTok account will be deactivated for 30 days, and during deactivation time, your account won't be visible to public. And after 30 days, your TikTok account will be permanently deleted. Once happy with all this, tap on delete account and tap on delete. That's it, your TikTok account has been deleted and the confirmation is appearing at the top. If you go back to the main menu of TikTok, you can see it's asking to sign up, which is another form of confirmation that your account has been deleted. Now for those of you who are also interested to delete TikTok app from Apple iPhone or iOS device, simply tap and hold on TikTok app and tap on delete app. Alright, thanks for watching. If you liked it, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more technology reviews, tips, tricks, tutorials and all that. Also be my friend and follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and I'll see you in the next one.